We are opening the box for the Peplink AP1AC Mini. At about 4 inches square, this is Peplink's smallest Wi-Fi access point. It supports both 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi frequencies and is meant for indoor use only. Let's remove it from the plastic and take a closer look. It's made of this white durable plastic and has nice smooth edges. On the back, from left to right, we have the power input, status LED, Wi-Fi LED, Ethernet/PoE port, and then the reset button. Underneath the rest of this packaging, we'll find the accessories. There's this Velcro cable wrap. Then we've got the 12-volt 2-amp AC power supply, which uses a barrel-type connector. Next, there's this wall mount. It matches the white of the access point and is also made of a durable plastic. As you can see here, the access point slides right into the mount so you can easily take it out of the mount as needed. Lastly, there's screws for installing the mount. That's everything you get along with Peplink's AP1AC Mini Hardware Revision 2. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel if you'd like to learn more about our products.